everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm an Amazon Prime member and I'm here to share about the Amazon Fresh service that's part of your Amazon Prime membership. So keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So let's click the Start Shopping under the Fresh tab. And then you have some options here. Deals, fresh produce, meat and seafood, dairy and eggs, frozen foods, and household. So whatever you're looking to shop for. So just scrolling through, I see right now my subtotal is at $31.89. So you need a minimum of $35 to qualify for the free delivery. So let me go and add me some Rice Krispie treats. So now my subtotal is more than $35. So now I do qualify for the free delivery. So let's proceed with checking out. Okay, so we're coming to the schedule your order. So under location, you can choose to have your order delivered to your doorstep, or you can be there in person to receive your delivery. Then you can select the date, then select the time. Okay, so now after you schedule your order, you'll want to go on and hit the continue button, and it'll take you to this checkout page, and then that's when you will utilize the payment option they have available so that you can go on and get your order in process to be delivered. Okay, so in the next 3 clips, you'll see my Amazon Fresh hauls, and these are purchases that I made, and everything that I received came fresh and was packaged well. And I must say, I will be utilizing this service again. So if you're interested, go try it out. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much. See you next time.